duct tape the soda cans like that with this metal bracket. We're gonna do the same thing on this side. So grab 2 Coke cans. This is great for any plane. So if you guys do this, just try to do this low key. You don't want to do this like when everyone is in the plane mid-flight. Okay, you gotta do this when people are boarding, because trust me, once people hear duct tape, they're worried. Don't do this when you're mid-flight, please. Do this when it's loud. Do this when people are going through their bags. Okay, so now look, you have 2 of these right here, like that, right? 2 Coke cans. The secret is you can do this with any soda can. Just don't do this with Coke cans. So it should look exactly like this, right? You have 2. Make sure they're secured. You don't want them to wiggle. Now you grab that, put it to the side like that. Grab this bracket right here. Okay, just gotta make sure it fits. Now, I want you to duct tape it. This one might be a little bit tough to duct tape, but the way you gotta do it is, I'll do one at a time. Put it like this, and like this. Put the duct tape in like this. Make it go under. And then you make it go back around. You're gonna have to do 2, so this is not enough, because this is a strong, heavy duty thing. You don't want to mess this up, so make sure you do it correctly. We'll start from here, like that. Remember what I said, only do this when you guys are boarding. Don't do this when you guys are mid-flight. I don't want you guys to scare anyone. I don't want you guys to get in trouble. Because, so it looks like this right now, right? It's not gonna move. So you have this huge bracket, smaller bracket on the bottom, right? We're gonna do the same thing for this side. And remember, you can do all of this silent. But trust me when I say this, okay? But people might get scared once they hear duct tape. So just keep that in mind. Pretty please. Okay, I'm gonna bring this around. Try to get everything. You want it to be super secured. You don't want this to move during flight. Take your time with it. Take your time. All right, now watch. I'm gonna go back around. Make sure it's all secure, okay? It should look exactly like this. I should be able to pick it up with one hand like this. Just a little wiggle room. You don't want that. Last piece. And we're good. Secure the bottom. And then I should be good. Yep. It's a lot better. Get a little bit more. And now we're done. It's all in place. All right, check this out. So this is what we made. Instead of having the screen that sucks, you know, I like to put my own phone on there. Just like that, just chill. And then, you know, I can drink my sodas. I can do my hands here, for hands-free. You know what I mean? That's all you gotta do. It's super chill. Stable. Look at how stable it is.